Learn to bring a captivating bodybuilder alien to life with this comprehensive YouTube tutorial by using nothing but a simple pen, ready to channel your inner artist of the cosmos. Watch the full tutorial now and unlock the secrets to drawing breathtakingly beautiful and powerful bodybuilder aliens with a pen. Delve into the creation of their alien eyes, which could be large and expressive, small and piercing, or anything in between. Exaggerate its muscular form, giving it a superhuman and otherworldly appearance. Pay close attention to the subtle variations in muscle definition. Transform your drawing from a simple outline to an authentic alien by exploring the intricacies of their distinctive features. Experiment with different pen styles and techniques to create your own rendition of this extraterrestrial bodybuilder. This video is not merely a technical guide. It's an invitation to unleash your artistic vision and create a truly unique alien portrait. Transform your drawing from a simple outline to an authentic alien by exploring the intricacies of their distinctive features.